Respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, my dear colleagues, and my dear students, good morning, one and all. As we all know, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day through online. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th September, which also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian philosopher and the second president of India. To celebrate this occasion, students perform songs and plays acknowledging the contribution of their teachers. Students also show their affection to their favorite teachers in the form of cards, speeches, and chocolates. In the wake of corona pandemic situation, all the schools have been closed for the last few months. With online classes, students and teachers will now be celebrating Teachers' Day 2020 virtually. In this pandemic situation, this year, our students prepared speeches, dances at home, which we are going to perform online during this virtual celebration. Let us start our program with Guru Vandanam by Somavidigna. I request our in-charge principal sir to address
Good
our
morning, my dear
students.
colleagues, teachers, friends, parents, and students. A warm greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day. We are here to honor and acknowledge the hard work and contributions made by the teachers. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year in India to mark the birth anniversary of former President Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a prominent thinker and an educator, a great philosopher and excellent teacher. He believed that teachers should be the best minds in our country. On this occasion, I thank all my teachers, and also I want to appreciate all the teachers of campus school for successfully adopting the digital technology in imparting knowledge, education to the children effectively. I also thank the parents for helping and motivating the children to participate in all the activities given by the teachers. In this pandemic situation, I request all the students to stay home, stay safe, and complete all the work given by the teachers. I want to end this by saying that without teacher nothing can be achieved. बिन गुरु नहीं होता जीवन साकार, बिन गुरु नहीं होता जीवन साकार, सिर पर होता जब गुरु का हाथ, सिर पर होता जब गुरु का हाथ, तभी बनता जीवन का सही आकार, तभी बनता जीवन का सही आकार. गुरु ही है सफल जीवन का आधार, गुरु ही है सफल जीवन का आधार. Thank you one and all.
Tiny tots are eagerly waiting to present their performances. Let us enjoy the programs.
I'm LKG. I'm LKG.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure. You really care for me. If something happens in the class and brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la. I love my teacher. La 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 la. I love my teacher. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different cause we're learning more and more about life.
Morning.
La 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 la. I love my teacher. La 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 la. I love my teacher. La 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 la. I love my teacher. La 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 la. I love my teacher. Everyone is special. La 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 la. I love my teacher. La 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 la. I love my teacher.
Then go. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I love you, teacher. I love you, teacher. To all my parents. I love you, teacher. I love you, teacher. I love you, teacher. To all the best. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. You are the best. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. You are the best. I love.
Happy.
Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to all my teachers. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. You are the best. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. I thank you, teacher. You are the best. Ilanalo pona laika. Nino duditala. Ay, titana. Kukumata tabara. Bulu bama, bulu itu, bulu. Yewo, tela. Bulu tata, bulu. That's my chip. Bulu. Bulu me. Nama. Bye, pillalu. My name is Anandini Chetan Shinde. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Happy Teacher Day. Today, 5th September. The birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. Teachers are base on our society. We should obey our teachers' order and follow their advice. I salute all
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Thank you, madam. Hello everyone. My name is Veronica. Happy Teacher's Day to all respected teachers and my dear friends. Teachers are the backbone of our society. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September. That is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So, I wish Madhula teacher, Judith teacher, happy Teacher Day. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day to all my teachers. Brahma, Doddeso, Doddeve, Parmesava, Tuksaksat, Balbama, Tassaisi, Toyama. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Good morning, teacher. How are you, teacher? I miss you, teacher. Teacher, happy day. Din 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 din.
हैप्पी टीचर डे.
Happy teacher day.
हाँ.
ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Wait. Come on. Hmm. Happy.
गट्टिया गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टीचर. सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. धन्यवाद.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ రోజున మనమందరం సెప్టెంబర్ 5
ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవం
జరుపుకోవడానికి గల కారణం, ఈ రోజున డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారి పుట్టినరోజు. రాధాకృష్ణ గారు 4 దశాబ్దాల పాటు మనకు ఉపాధ్యాయులు సేవలు అందించారు. ఈయన మన తెలుగువాడు కావడం మనందరికీ గర్వకారణం. గురు బ్రహ్మ గురు విష్ణు గురుదేవో మహేశ్వర అంటూ గురువులందరికీ పూజిస్తాం. ఈ సమాజాలకి అభివృద్ధికి మార్గదర్శకులకి అయిన గురువులందరికీ మరి ఒక్కసారి ఉపాధ్యాయులు దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ షణికని ఫస్ట్ సి. నా పేరు త్రిదివ. చీమని చూసి క్రమశిక్షణ నేర్చుకో, భూమిని చూసి ఓర్పు నేర్చుకో, చెట్టుని చూసి ఎదుగుదల నేర్చుకో, గురువుని చూసి సద్గుణాలు నేర్చుకో. గురు బ్రహ్మ గురు విష్ణు గురు దేవో మహేశ్వర గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురువే నమః. గురువులందరికీ హ్యాపీ టీచర్స్ డే. Hello, my name is Bhumika Singh. I am class 8 section C. I am going to tell you Teachers Day speech. Let's start. Good morning to all. Respect, principal, teacher, parents, and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. Teacher Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teacher Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, great scholar, and an excellent teacher. Teacher Day is the best way of students to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' order and follow their advice. Thank you. Good morning to all, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th of September. This day we celebrate birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of our India. He is the greatest second president, excellent teacher of our India. Teacher is friend and guide to our life. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Children give gift to teachers to show love and respect. Dear students, we should obey our teachers. Thank you, all of you. Good morning, teachers. I am Hanu Saisri of class 2nd B. Jnanam Moolam Gurum Murtihi, Puja Moolam Guru Padam, Mantra Moolam Guru Vadyam, Moksha Moolam Guru Kripa. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. Badilo Kolavaina Devullahu, Mahodaya Purvaka, Upadhyaya Dinotsava, Shubhakankshalu. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 1st September every year in India. It is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was great president and excellent teacher. Thank you, Jai Hind. Good morning, principal, teachers, and my friends. I am Saurajas Kamakar. I study in class 2, section A. Today Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was one of the finest teachers in India. He was first Vice President and second President of our country. We learned a lot from our teachers. They are the pillars of students' life. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you all teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parak Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Good morning, teacher. My name is Vatalya. I am class 2-6. Today I am saying Teachers' Day speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am saying Teachers' Day speech. I begin the speech one slok. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September. The birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you. Morning, teacher. My name is Shruti. I will sing Teachers' Day song. Teacher, seated inside me, take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for what you have done. Thank you for what you do. So thank you, ma'am. So thank you, sir. So thank you. Good evening, teacher. My name is Lasanya. Second C. We are celebrating Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. You are my teachers. You my best friends. You are my role model. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. I love you, teacher. I bless you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day. You are my teachers. Thank you, teacher. గౌరవనీయులైన ఉపాధ్యాయులు అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. గురువు తానైనను హర్నిత చూపును, బ్రహ్మలోకమతడు పారచూపు, శిష్యున రచినట్టి చీకటి బాపురా విశ్వదాభిరామ వెనురవేమ. భావం: గురువు హరిని చూపించగలడు, బ్రహ్మజ్ఞానం పొందింపగలడు, శిష్యుని యొక్క అజ్ఞానమును తొలగింపగలడు. గురు సహాయం కలిగి కృతార్థుడై ఉన్న మానవుడికి ఏమి కొరత? అన్ని తెలిసిన వాడు అవిధేల పడునయా విశ్వదాభిరామ వినురవేమ. భావం: గురు సహాయం కలిగిన వాడు కృతార్థుడు, అతనికి ఏమి కొరత ఉండదు. అన్ని తెలిసిన వాడు భయపడు కదా. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। My humble pranams to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Now I'm gonna sing a song. Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata. Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata. Udagita Nikhila Mata Vana Nirata Gandha Jana Suruta. Jayati 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 Sakala Jiva Samata Sadhu Jana Vidita Sakala Jiva Sanuta Sadhu Jana Vidita Akhila Loka Pratita Paramananda Sanhita Akhila Loka Pratita Paramananda Sanhita Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata Buddha Gita Nikhila Mata Vana Nirata Nata Jana Suruta Jayati 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 Aganita Gunashila Ati Dayala Vala Aganita Gunashila Ati Dayala Vala Prakatita Supachala Patita Prana Lola Prakatita Supachala Patita Prana Lola Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata Uda Gita Nikhila Mata Vana Nirata Nata Jana Suruta Jayati 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 Amita Kaladhara Atula Nidhi Vistara Amita Kaladhara Atula Nidhi Vistara Vinata Bhaya Vidura Vishwa Sangeeta Sar Vinata Bhaya Vidura Vishwa Sangeeta Sar Jayati Jayati Bharata Mata Uda Gita Nikhila Mata Vana Nirata Nata Jana Suruta Jayati Jayati Jayati. Thank you. Once more, Happy Teachers Day. To all our respected teachers and my dear friends, I wish you all a very very happy Teachers Day. As our ancestors said, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Teachers are creators of all professions. They are the pillars of our success. We are celebrating Teachers Day on 5th September every year to remember Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's services as the second president of India. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. He became the president of India from a teacher. Great teachers like Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and APJ Abdul Kalam are the inspiration to all of us. On this occasion, I would like to thank all the teachers who are molding our future. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Pranita. I am third DC. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Let's sing and thank you song. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, and I know you love me too. Yes, I do, yes, I do. You were so nice, you were so kind, you were so kind to teach me something new. Thank you, so thank you, ma'am, thank you. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of my life. You are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Good morning all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated every year on 5th of September, which is also marked as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birth anniversary, who was a great Indian philosopher and second President of India. Since 1962, his birthday was then celebrated as Teachers Day to acknowledge all teachers. Thank you to all my teachers for guiding us and motivating us in this tough time. Thank you. Morning, one and all. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of the teachers who mold the students into future leaders. It is the day to express gratitude and respect to the mentors. Teachers Day, which is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. This second Prime President of India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher and educationist. Teachers are the pillars of the country. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. They teach them to become a better human beings. Thank you.
अध्यापिका जी और शिक्षकगण, आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम एवं शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। मैं तन्मय अभिषेक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हैदराबाद कैंपस स्कूल कक्षा 3 सेक्शन बी का छात्र हूँ। 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। आज शिक्षक दिवस है। इस दिन डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का जन्मदिन है, जो भारत के प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपति और भारत के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति थे। शिक्षक दिवस के दिन हम शिक्षकगण के सम्मान में उपहार देते हैं। शिक्षकगण को कभी अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए। शिक्षकगण को हमेशा सम्मान देना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la la la. my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
Happy Teachers Day, all my teachers. Good evening, everybody. On 5th September, we celebrated as Teachers Day. First of all, I wish all my teachers Happy Teachers Day. Teachers are our well-wishers. I love my teachers very much, who guide us patiently each and every time. Because of their full support, I reached till 4th class successfully. I thank all my teachers who imparted knowledge for us even in this pandemic situation with great effort and make us feel as we are in school only. All my teachers encourage us to participate in co-curricular activities and make us enjoy as we can become bored by staying home. Thank you. Once again, I wish all my teachers Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello everybody, Happy Teachers Day. I am Sucheta M. Joshi from 4th class P section. Here today I am presenting a speech. So here I go. Teachers Day is celebrated in tribute of great teacher Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. He was President of India. When students approached Radhakrishna to celebrate his birthday, he replied, "Instead of celebrating my personal birthday, it is better tribute all the teachers, and September 5th was celebrated to pay honor teachers for their efforts in shaping students. This is an opportunity to pay tribute to our teachers for their selflessness efforts. We should show the gratitude to our teachers who consider was not less than their own children while teaching and guiding." Once again, Happy Teachers Day and thank you.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव ఆచార్య దేవో భవ. ఈరోజు డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారు జయంతి పురస్కరించుకొని ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారు తమిళనాడులోని తిరుత్తణిలో సెప్టెంబర్ 5, 1888 జన్మించారు. ఆయన ఉపాధ్యాయుడిగా జీవితాన్ని ప్రారంభించి మన దేశ రాష్ట్రపతి స్థాయికి ఎదిగారు. ఆయన చేసే సేవలకు గాను అత్యున్నత పురస్కారమైన భారతరత్నతో పాటు టెంపుల్టన్ ప్రైజ్ లభించింది. డాక్టర్ సర్వేపల్లి రాధాకృష్ణ గారు జన్మదినం ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఉపాధ్యాయ దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకున్నాం. జై హింద్. ప్రణవి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning teachers. My name is Anna. I read in class 4 section A. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Par Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Such
Good morning, teacher. My name is Himani from class 4B. Today I am saying Teacher's Day speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. On this beautiful day, I would like to thank all my teachers for their continuous, selfless, precious efforts. I begin this speech with a small slok. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. This is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was only a successful president and an excellent scholar teacher. Teachers Day celebrated in schools with lots of joy like dancing, singing, speeches and etc. Children give cards to the teachers and other presents to their favorite teacher. From senior classes, students dress up as their favorite teacher and teach junior classes. Teachers' Day is the best. Teachers' Day is the great way to say thank you. Thank you. They are our friends, parents, and who guide us to an important to the role of shaping our character. Teachers are the backbone of the society. Teachers remove the darkness. Teachers are the beautiful garden, sow seeds of the knowledge within and bloom like a beautiful flower. Teachers are our friends, parents, and guide. I cannot say thank you. I cannot say thank you enough for all of it you given me. A big thank you to my all lovely teachers. We are so lucky to have such a lovely teacher in our life and in our school. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of my teachers. Thank you.
Teachers Day to all the teachers. I am Samuel from 4th C. Roshni is studying in 4th B. Now I am going to tell few words why we celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India because it is birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who is the first Vice President of independent India. He is great scholar and a philosopher. On this day, students express gratitude to their teachers. Teacher guide us to learn lot of new things. So friends, we should always follow the teacher instructions and be good citizen. Thank you, teacher, for always standing by my side and helping me for understand better. Thank you, teacher. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. For the first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great president and he is a great excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is a best word for students to expect love and respect for their teachers. Teachers' Day is teachers are the backbone of society. Dear friends, we should always obey our teachers' orders and for they appreciate. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Dedira Athena. I am studying in 4th class. Today is Teachers' Day and I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. So we should have to respect teachers and principal because there is Teachers' Day. Teachers' Days, why do we celebrate Teachers' Day is, the reason is that is the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a great teacher and president also. So I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day and thank you. I am G. Abhi Pranay, studying in University of Hyderabad Campus School, 4th class C section. Good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. Teachers are respected persons in a student's life. So dear friends, we should respect our teachers.
Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers.
Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rakesh Parsoor. Today I would like to sing a song on Teachers Day. No matter where I go, every time I look on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I've known, every seed of praises you have sown, through good and bad, your love has watched me through. You treat me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You create in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment, let me say, you turn my little into great. There's no fear in my dreams away. With you. Now that I am thee, means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your loving smiles and frowns keep me safe. Reach me high from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment, let me say, you turn my little into great. There's no fear my dreams away. With you. Stay in this moment, let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear my dreams away. With you. I really want to say thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Ankit Singh. I am studying in 4th C. First of all, Happy Teachers Day to teachers. Today I am saying poem in Hindi. गुरु वो है जो जीना सिखा दे, आज से आपकी पहचान करा दे, तराशते हीरे की तरह तुमको दुनिया की रास्ते पे चलना सिखा दे। कर दे काया कल्प वो तुम्हारा, सच और झूठ से सका करा दे you. Once again, happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers.
Good evening, everybody. I am Mohammad Furqan. Today, I am going to sing Teachers Day song. Let's start. Teacher, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hand, so thank you. Thank you. Teacher, we are still the young ones, but we want to be young ones for long. Teacher, take me and define me. When you are beside me, I am strong. When I'm old and wiser, I will remember you. Promise I will grow stronger, and the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hand, so thank you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all. Hey everyone, my name is Shradha. I am studying 4th B. I am doing Guru Brahma song.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Teachers and my friends, my name is Tahura, studying in 3rd A section. I singing a song for teachers. Teachers, in free inside good. Teachers, take hand and guide me on your way. Teachers, when you teach me, give up, have to stand up again. Teachers, thank you for all you done. Teacher, and thank you for you do. I model of you what you by hand.
So thank you, teacher. You are. Thank you. So thank you, teacher. We are still younger ones, but we are wrong to be younger ones for long. So teachers, thank you for all you done, and thank you for you do. I be model of your hand. I be model of your hand. So thank you. Thank you. Good morning, teacher. My name is Puresh. I am studying in first class C section. Happy Teachers Day. 5th September is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday. I like my teachers because my teachers help me how to do new things. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Dev, Maheshwara, Guru Shaksa, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Telling about Teachers Day is a very special for everyone, especially for a teachers and a student. It is celebrated by students every year on 5th September to pay respect to their teachers. 5th September has Teachers Day in India. It is celebrated on the of dear Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday, who was a great teacher and parents of India. On this day, especially students' parents. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Ganasri Percy. Respected principal, ma'am, teachers and parents, and my dear friends. Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day celebrated as September 5th. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Is a great teacher in India. Thank you. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are safe at your home. My name is Srijana. I'm studying in 2nd day class. Let's sing one song. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of life. You are my gift from God. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of life. You are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, friends.
Start.
My name is H. Diveshka. I'm studying in 4th class. Today I am telling the speech. Good
morning to all respected principal madam and my dear friends. Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India 1920 of September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president and great scholar and excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is the best for the students. They express love and respect for these teachers. Thank you.
My name is Ashmita Anjali. I am studying in secondary. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. మనకి చెడేంటో మంచి ఏంటో నేర్పించేది మన టీచర్. మంచి దారిలో నడిపించేది మన టీచర్. అమ్మ తర్వాత అమ్మలాగా నేర్పించేది మన టీచర్. ఈ ప్రపంచంలో ప్రతి ఒక్క టీచర్కి నా పాదాభివందనం. హ్యాపీ టీచర్స్ డే.
Good afternoon, madam. This is Vikas. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September, which also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an India philosopher and the second President of India. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Respect principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a every happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5 of September every year in India. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna JCP Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day to respecting all teachers. Morning all. Wishing you happy Teachers' Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Saksha, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Now we will tell few slokas from Mahabharatam. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् पवित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय चतुष्कृतं धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते नापनेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फलेषु भूमते सज्जोष्णकर्मणे. रुद्राणां शङ्करचास्मि दृप्तेषु यक्षराक्षसां वसूनां पावकच्चास्मि मेरुश्रीणामहम्. Thank you. Good morning, teacher. Happy Teachers' Day to all my dear teachers. Teachers' Day celebrated on the occasion of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday. I thanks to all my teachers to teaching us. You are our heroes of our life. Thank you. Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. I am D. Nihal, first B.
our children are going to present some other programs related to present situation. Here Tridiva from class 2 is ready to perform COVID awareness program.
లైట్ గా ఫీవర్ ఉంది, కొద్దిగా కోల్డ్ ఉంది, కోవిడో కాదు చెప్పరా. పక్కనే కేసు ఉంది, గుండెలో గుబులుగుంది, సోదరా ఏమి చేతురా. లైట్ గా ఫీవర్ ఉంటే డోలో చాలు, కొద్దిగా కోల్డ్ ఉంటే స్టీవి మేలు. పల్స్ ఆక్సిమీటర్ లో రీడింగ్ చూడు, ఈ టైంలో టెస్ట్ కన్నా రెస్ట్ మేలు. జగడ 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 జగడ.
Yoga is the journey of the self to the self through the self. We know that in order to maintain physical and mental health, everyone must and should practice yoga. Here, Pranav Nayak from class 2 is showing some yoga postures.
నమస్కారం సార్, నా పేరు పీనకుల్. బలవంతుడు నాకేమని పలవులతో నిగ్రహించి పలకుట మేళ. బలవంతమైన సర్పము చలిచీమల చేత చిక్కి చావుద సుమతి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले, गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले, गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले, गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले, गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा
excellent programs. I thank each and every child for their extraordinary performances, and I thank all the parents for encouraging the kids in participating virtual Teachers Day program. Thank you so much.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।